Yo, good morning, y'all. Alright, check this out. Alright, yo, my bags got left. Well, my bags didn't get transferred over to this hotel, man. The last flight must have been stuck on last flight. I don't know what happened, but now I gotta go buy new clothes, man. It's crazy. Holla at y'all, man.
Downtown right now.
Yo,
What's going on, man?
that's how we do it.
That's how we do it, man. That's how we do
it,
it.
baby.
Yeah.
It's the others, baby.
Yeah. Johan, Andrew, Kenny right there. You know, we got Amazon right there. Yeah. We got Andrew right there. Yeah. My bags right there. I gotta go buy some new clothes, y'all, because they didn't bring my baggage. Jacked up. You don't know how it feels to call you. Oh, there she goes, there she goes.
Wow.
Sound check time, man. Pretty soon, Hammer gonna knock out the field again, like he did before. Off the grass, he said. Yeah, we're in Cincinnati, Ohio, as you can see. Pleasure, y'all. I'm about to go home and work out. Go to the hotel and work out. Can't miss my workouts, y'all. It's called Billy Blank's Tybo. Amped. You know, Billy Blank's amped, man. It's time to get amped. Alright? Yeah. Sound check, baby. Stadium, baby. Let's run right there, baby. Yeah, run, baby. Run, baby.
P.L.'s baby.
Yeah.
P.L.'s baby.
Yeah.
P.L.'s baby.
Yeah. Man, it's hot in the mug, Tay. My clothes ain't came yet. I gotta buy some new clothes. Let's do something, man. Yeah, man.
You know what?
What's up, man?
It's humid, man.
I know. But Arizona got us more than this. Arizona was more than this.
Yeah, you know what? It's a whole lot better than Arizona to me.
Yeah.
Because at least it's kind of like moist. You know
Yeah, kind of moist. Yeah, that's true. Yep.
Arizona get cut.
Arizona was too much. We're eating right now. Sound check time. That's how we do it, man. So, see you soon. Much love. God bless you. Pleasure was here. I haven't did my hair, man. I ain't gonna take a shower. Relax, man. I'm sweaty and all. You know, it's hot out here, so it's going down, man. All right. Okay, ladies and gents, I finally got me some clothes. I went to the store. I went and bought me some nice linen shirt and some shorts or whatever. It's hot out here in Cincinnati. I just got the shower. You know what I'm saying? I'm fresh, I'm clean, so fresh, so clean. These are things that happen when you travel a lot. My luggage got left in a different city, but they're sending my luggage back to California. So whenever I arrive at home, my luggage will be there. Hey, I got a new hat too, a new brim. It's all good, man. God bless y'all, man, and I'm going downstairs, y'all. Pleasure Alice here, yeah.